In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update Google Chrome browser quickly and easily. Keeping Chrome updated is important because it gives you the latest features, improves performance, fixes bugs, and helps protect your device with the newest security updates. The best part is that Chrome usually does most of the work automatically, so this only takes a minute or two. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the window and click the three vertical dots. This opens the main Chrome menu. From here, scroll near the bottom of the menu and hover your mouse over the Help option. You do not need to click anything else just yet. When the Help submenu appears, click About Google Chrome. This will open Chrome's update page. As soon as this page loads, Chrome will automatically check for updates. If an update is available, it will begin downloading right away without you needing to do anything manually. Just wait for the process to finish. If Chrome is already up to date, you'll see that message here as well. If an update is downloaded, Chrome will then prompt you with a Relaunch button. Click Relaunch to finish applying the update. Chrome will close and reopen, and your browser will now be running the latest version. After that, you're all set. Updating Chrome regularly is one of the easiest ways to keep your browsing experience smooth, secure, and reliable. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference in how well your browser performs. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials, and leave a comment if you want to see more step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.